Hello, I'm Numberblock 1, and I like to solve mysteries. Welcome to my detective office. It was a grey day in the big city, and I was feeling bored. I was wondering where my next case would come from when suddenly 9 came bursting through the door.
Ah!
"Everything has gone," he wailed. 9 explained that he lived in flat number 9 on the 9th floor. At 9 o'clock he had gone out for his morning walk, but when he got home, his flat was completely empty. "This sounds like one great mystery," I said. We went to 9's apartment building to look for clues. "Did you see anything unusual this morning?" I asked. 9 remembered something. He'd passed a stranger in a coat and hat. The stranger was as wide as the door and had a flat head. "The door is exactly 2 blocks wide," I noted. It was our first clue, and I wrote it in my notebook. Then 9 remembered that the stranger was smaller than him. "Ha! One more clue!" as I was writing it down. A shadow fell across the door. The shadow of someone wearing a hat. Someone 2 blocks wide with a flat head. It had to be our suspect. The shadowy figure ran past us. "After them!" I cried. We chased the mystery number block into an alleyway. But we were too late. The suspect was gone. Then, something about the steps caught my eye. "A hat! Those aren't steps," I said. The steps jumped up and ran away. It was our suspect in disguise. We chased the suspect down a dark alleyway. "Wait!" I called. We chased them all the way to a dead end. This time, there was no escape. But the suspect wasn't there. There were only 2 3s in the alley. Something just didn't add up. Or did it? I looked at all the clues. Clue number 1. The suspect had a flat top when standing 2 blocks wide, so must have been an even number. Clue number 2. The suspect was smaller than 9, so couldn't have been 10. Oh, and one more thing. To hide from us, the suspect made a step shape. Only one number block is an even number, smaller than 9, and can make a step shape. 6. We rushed back to the flats and caught Six red-handed. She was loading boxes into a van. "Stop!" I shouted.
Stop!
But Six soon explained that she wasn't taking the boxes. She was moving in. "Come up to my new apartment and see," she said. We counted the floors as we climbed the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 9. Hang on, that wasn't right. 9 doesn't come after 5. The number on Six's door was loose and had turned upside down. It looked like a number 9. 9? I think you went into this empty flat by mistake, I said. 9 ran upstairs to his real flat and found everything exactly as he had left it. Ha ha! Mystery solved. That was one great mystery. Did you solve it too?